Children, it's time to discuss the exercise of this chapter. So quickly grab a pencil and eraser so that you may note down the answers of the exercises in your course book. Kids, I hope you are ready with your stationery. Quickly open your book at page 15. Children, let's first discuss the question which is given under the title Oral. It says, what did the man buy for the children? Students, to answer this question, let's recall that part of the story when the man visited the market. Do you remember what did he see when he visited the market? Yes, he saw a woman selling candies. And do you remember that those candies looked so tempting to the man that he bought those candies for children of the village? Isn't it? Yes, and here is answer of our question. So the answer is, the man bought candies for the children. Students, let's now discuss the multiple choice questions which are given at page 15 of your book. The title says, tick the correct answer in each. The first one is, the man purchased candies as they looked beautiful, tempting, sweet and tasty. Children, we have just discussed this part of the story and this makes it very easy for you to answer this. So what is it? Yes, well done. The man purchased the candies as they look tempting. So please tick tempting. The next one says, the man decided to play a game with the children, his friends, the people. Kids, this one is very easy, isn't it? Yes. So let's quickly tick the correct answer. So the correct answer is the children. The third part says, what did the man do before he called the children to play a game? And the options are, he tied the basket of candies with a blue ribbon, he tied the candies in a blue satin cloth, he tied the basket of candies with a red ribbon. So children, did the man use anything blue? No, he did not use blue color. What color did he use instead? Yes, it was red color. So, C part is correct. He tied the basket of candies with a red ribbon. Kids, now we are going to discuss the exercise which is given at page 19 under the title Learn New Words. Children, this exercise is divided in two parts. Let's first discuss A part. The question of A part says, complete the given sentences by replacing the underlined words with their synonyms. Children, it means that whatever word is underlined in the given sentence, you have to replace the word with its synonym. I hope you remember the meaning of synonym. Kids, synonyms are the words which have same meanings. So let's start with the first sentence. Okay, so the first sentence says, the candies that the man brought were tasty, and the underlined word is tasty. Kids, can you think of few synonyms which may replace tasty? Alright, let me help you out. The synonyms for tasty are delicious, mouth-watering, flavorful. So you can use any of these. So let's use delicious. So the sentence becomes, the candies that the man brought were delicious. Second sentence is, the African children were happy to share the candies, and the underlined word is happy. Kids, now you have to tell the synonyms of happy. Okay, let's check it out. Happy can be replaced by delighted, joyful, cheerful, pleased, overjoyed, any of these, right? So you may replace it with any of these words. So here I'm using pleased. So the sentence becomes, the African children were pleased to share the candies. Third one is, a rich filmmaker gifted a picture to my uncle, and the underlined word is rich. Now let's discuss a few synonyms of rich. Kids, rich may be replaced by wealthy, well-to-do, or well-off. So let's replace it with wealthy. And the sentence becomes, a wealthy filmmaker gifted a picture to my uncle. The next one is, he has suffered huge losses and has become very poor. Kids, you may observe here that very poor is underlined. Let's discuss few synonyms of poor. These are needy, penniless, or bankrupt. Kids, the most suitable word here would be bankrupt. So the sentence becomes, he has suffered huge losses and has become bankrupt. The fifth part is, don't be so careless. Your car is causing pollution. Get it repaired. And the word which is underlined is careless. So let's first discuss the synonyms of careless. It can be casual, forgetful, negligent, or heedless. So you can use any of these. Let's use forgetful here. So the sentence becomes, don't be so forgetful. Your car is causing pollution. Get it repaired. Now, be part of Learn New Words is, write 4 words that you can think of when you see a beautiful picture of sunset. Children, isn't the sunset in the picture looking beautiful? Yes, it is. Now try to write down the words which appear to you by looking at this picture. Children, I'm sharing few words which appear to my mind for your reference. But I would appreciate if you write words of your wish. So the words are beautiful, attractive, soothing, and comforting. Kids, the next exercise which we are going to discuss is given at page 20 under spell. Let's read the instruction which is given to us for solving this exercise. It says, write the words given in the box with ing to complete the sentences. Kids, here you are given with a few words in the box. Now what you have to do is, you have to use the word from the box which fits the sentence well, and then add ing to the word so that it makes a meaningful sentence. Children, I hope you understood it well. So let's start discussing. The first one is, if Tim keeps dash hard, he will be able to speak English fluently. Now kids, try suits here the best, right? So it becomes, if Tim keeps trying hard, he will be able to speak English fluently. The next one is, children find sweets and candies very dash. Here, tempt is suiting the best. So the sentence becomes, children find sweets and candies very tempting. The third one is, I like dash new places. Now, explore is suiting the best. So it becomes, I like exploring new places. The fourth one is, dash a party is quite a tiresome work. Now, organize is the word which suits here the best. So the sentence becomes, organizing a party is quite a tiresome work. The last sentence is, there are many events which are worth dash forever. Here, remember suits the best. So the sentence becomes, there are many events which are worth remembering forever. I hope you were able to complete your work side by side.